Look up here while I give directions.
No need to listen, just figure it out. Legos are the best. Let's build lots of things.
Dinner's ready. Put down the Legos. It's time to eat.
It's your turn.
Psst, over here. Play with me instead.
When your brain gets into an attention tug-of-war, remember, the eyes have it. Break the tie with your eyes. I know you've heard about brain power, but did you know that your eyes contain a lot of power too? Your eyes can show how you're feeling or what you might be thinking about. They also have the ability to affect how you make other people feel. Your eyes and your brain are located very near each other, and they work very closely together. Whatever you look at with your eyes, you will think about with your brain. Some people think that they can focus on lots of different things at the same time, but that's really not true. The human brain can notice many things at the same time, but it cannot think about or process different bits of information at the same time. For example, right now, I can see both my computer and the TV. I can't watch and write at the same time. My brain is caught in an attention tug-of-war.
Wait, can you pause? I missed something while I was helping you write.
Your eyes are like a steering wheel for your brain. They help your brain to understand what is the most important thing to think about. So that means your eyes actually have the power to determine the winner of the attention tug-of-war. When you point your eyes at the person or task that is requiring your attention, your brain actually gets better at focusing and paying attention.
The eyes have it.
I'll understand what to do if I pay attention to my teacher's directions.
Grandma's expecting me to eat dinner now. I can come back to this later.
I want to be a good friend. I'll pay attention to Simone while she is here.
Plus, looking at the speaker is a respectful thing to do.
Everyone wants to be respected.
So the next time your brain is caught in an attention tug-of-war, remember to use the power of your eyes. Because the eyes have it. See what this can do for you. And I'll see you next time.